What up, cousin gang? We back with another one, man. I got a Ford Ranger right here that we got to do a little work to. It's a little different. Got a camper shell on it and a hood that needs to be stripped. I'm gonna show y'all what we got to do. All right, as you can see, the clear coat is peeling on this back on the camper shell here. Yeah, you can see all around here where it's peeling. A lot of it I blew off, but it's the whole camper shell, as you can see. Yeah, I got me some 80. I got me some 180 and 80 grit. I'm not gonna be using 80 grit on the camper shell. I'm gonna be using 80 grit on this hood. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, yeah, I'm gonna have to strip this here. I don't know. It looked like it has a little mud work under there, right here, probably. But yeah, I'm gonna strip this hood. If I don't do nothing, I'm gonna just strip like from halfway to over here, because on the other side over here it's not that much damage. Well, not damage, but I don't see anything, you know, that really sticks out to me. Oh, that's just a little clear coat that I blew off from the backside from the tonneau cover. So let's go on and get started. Yeah. Alright, what I'm doing here, all I'm doing is taking the clear coat off. I'm not trying to take it all the way down, you know, to the substrate. I'm just taking the clear coat off. As you can see, like how I've done right here. See that? That's what I'm trying to do over here. So let's go on and get all this knocked down real quick. Alright, as y'all can see, I pretty much got it stripped down. Well, I got the clear stripped off. I just got this little section right here. So let's quit talking, hit the sand. Alright, what up, gang? It's a different day, man. Yeah, I had other cars that was ahead of this, but I'm gonna give y'all a rundown of what I did so far. So, as y'all know, on the video previous, I'm not the previous video, but the last time I was working on this, all I did was strip the clear coat and the base coat that was on top of this right here. I didn't take it all the way down, just took it down to the primer sealer here. So what I used was 180 to strip it, and then I came back with 320 and knocked down my 180 scratches so they won't be so hard, you know, to cover up with my sealer or whatever. And up here on the front, what I did was the paint over here was doing the same thing. It was the clear was delaminating coming off of it or whatever. I just sanded it down, got out everything, you know, situated or whatever, sand down pretty good, and then came back and primed it in. So let's get this bad boy painted. Alright, what I'm finna do now, I'm finna lay down my sealer. I already attacked my panel off. I'm finna lay down 2 coats of sealer on the tonneau cover and on the hood where I made the repair at. So let's quit talking and get it done. All right, custom gang, man. Y'all see it. I left it on the wet, man. What y'all think? Y'all take a look at it. Tell me what y'all see. Y'all see that wetness, don't it? Yeah, we left this one on the wet. Yeah, man. We fixed that delamination that was on the tonneau cover. Got it all situated. So, yeah. Let's walk up into the front. See what we got going on. Ooh, yeah. Man, that thing wet, man. Yeah. What y'all think, man? But yeah, this was just a little quick video showing y'all, all right, let me get the camera straight. This was a little quick video showing y'all, you know, how to fix delamination on a vehicle or whatever. It's simple, man. With anything, you know, it just takes a little practice. And you can get it, man. Turn out just like this. Yeah. Oh, I'm having trouble with this camera, as y'all can see. But don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the channel, man. And we gone.